Welcome to the Pedro web application tutorial for healthcare professionals. Pedro is a dedicated platform for managing patients with CLL. Connect to specialists, create and monitor cases, and ensure the best care with Pedro. Now let's dive in. To get started with Pedro, you will first need to register and log into your account. If you haven't done so, make sure to complete the registration process. By pressing the login button, you will find yourself in the main dashboard of the Pedro platform. To create a new case, navigate to the left sidebar where you will find the Add Case button. Let's click on this button to start a new case. It's your gateway to engaging with our expert team and enhancing your patient management process. This is where you can create a new case for your patient and request assistance from our expert team. Take a moment to fill out the essential data fields, starting with the topic, the title of the case, and other details. Once you have completed the form, it's time to take action. Click the Submit button to send your case to our expert team for review and assistance. Keep in mind that your request will be processed and we aim to respond within 10 working days. Once our expert team review your case, you will be notified with an email about the progress and any actions required. Congratulations! You have taken the first step in providing the best possible care for your patients with CLL. After submitting your case, it's time to monitor its progress. Your case will initially be marked as pending, indicating that our specialist team is reviewing the details. As our expert team begins to work on your case, you will notice a change. The status will transition from pending to open. And here is the good news. You will receive an email notification directly to your inbox, keeping you informed about the progress of your case status. This way you will stay in the loop without having to check the system. Keep an eye on your case and let the Pedro expert team to do the work while you keep you informed. Once your case has been answered by our specialist team, you will notice a change in the case status. It will turn to published. By clicking on the title of your case, you can see the details of your case, whereas also the response of our specialists. At the bottom of the page, you can find the answer of our specialist team and a chat field. Here you can respond to that answer and so to make the best decision for your patients. After your case has been successfully resolved and all your concerns has been addressed, you will notice a change in the case status. It will transition to closed. But here's the flexibility of Pedro. Should you encounter something new or need further assistance regarding the same case, you have the ability to reopen it. Simply click on Reopen and your case will be made accessible for continued communication. Reopening a case allows you to maintain a direct line of communication with our specialist, ensuring that you can always address new developments or questions. And that concludes our Pedro web application tutorial. We have unveiled the incredible potential that Pedro holds in transforming the management of patients with chronic lymphocytic leukemia. Thank you for joining us, and let's continue working together to make a real difference. Goodbye and see you in the next tutorial.